Okay, the Aoceman, Aoceman X15 body cam. There's the stuff that comes in the box, the camera itself, memory card reader, USB Type-C cable, operating instructions. This is a clip, clips onto the back of it. It's got a quarter 20 mount. So you could screw a quarter 20, mount in there. And here's the regular clip that clips onto your shirt, onto your clothes. Clips in the back. If you're familiar with these cameras, you already know how this stuff works. And here's a sort of a lanyard. Here's a thing you can hang it around your neck, and yeah, this detaches. So wrap it. This detaches. Put it around your finger, so you don't lose the camera. So there you go. So getting to the camera itself. So on the front you got the lens and the LED lights. Top you got this hook to hook this thing in to wear it around your neck so you don't lose it. Here's the little sort of a receiver for the clip, little bracket, and there's a screen in the back, a little tiny screen. On the bottom you got the micro SD card slot. I think it takes up to 128. You got a 128 in there now. It doesn't come with a card, just so you know. You have to get one. Some of these come with cards, others don't. They usually come in like 32 gigabyte cards or something like that, but this takes up to 128, so I just put one in there myself. And that's the USB Type-C port. So there you go. So turn it on. Okay, so this is the microphone button. Start recording for the microphone. Hit it again to stop recording audio with the microphone. Okay, so this is the picture taking button. So you press that to take pictures. It just keeps taking photos, And long press it to turn on the LEDs. There you go. This doesn't have turn it off, the LEDs, to press it again to turn it off. This doesn't have any infrared or anything like that. So this is the power button, and this is the start record button. Start recording video. Stop recording, hit it again. And there you go. Yeah, that's pretty much a tour of it. It's quick and simple, I was using it for a couple days, doing deliveries, food deliveries. The video quality is what you might expect for this. It's on par with, a $25, $30, body cam. Yeah, going through the owner's manual real quick. Doesn't say anything on that little reset button. Nope, no reset button information. Anyhow, tells you how to set the time. Just real quick, you go into a TXT file. Wait a minute, what does it say? Yeah, when you go into you hook it up to your computer. There's going to be a text file that you go into to set the time. The usual: recycling, watermarking, detecting, and resolution. Motion detection resolution. Alright, so recycling is for loop recording. Press the number O, set it to 0 to turn off loop recording, set it to 1 to turn on loop recording. Watermark, set it to 0 to not have a watermark, and set it to 1 to have a watermark. Motion detection, 0 for no motion detection, 1 for motion detection. Resolution, set it to 0 for 720p resolution, and set it to 1 for 1080 resolution. So there you go. Yeah, you can read through this and learn how to use it if you buy it. But yeah, one thing I want to really talk about, one thing that annoys the crap out of me with this thing, the buttons. Not the operation of the buttons, but the rattling of the buttons. Can you hear that? When you're walking around with this thing and it's shaking, you can definitely hear these buttons rattling around, like these buttons. It is annoying as crap, but what are you gonna do? Yeah, you're gonna hear this. When I show the footage from this, yeah, you're gonna hear it. You're really gonna hear it. Now, what are you gonna do? It's $25. It's not waterproof or anything. There's no stabilization. And that's it. So, it's fine, but other than this button rattling issue, it's you know, really annoying. You're gonna hear this. But anyhow, yeah, I'll leave a link in the description in case you want to buy it. And I'll show some video footage right now. And it's the Aoceman, Aoceman, however you pronounce that word, X15 body camera. Thanks for watching. This is a quick audio test. Check, check, 1, 2, 3. 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 Delivered. Okay, there it is. If you're walking around, you know, it's vibrating, shaking. You know, that's what you have to deal with. I was editing on my laptop. It's very, very rattly because of these buttons. You know, that's what you got to listen to when you're walking around. It just completely ruins the audio.